Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to crop a video on the TikTok. So how you can basically crop your video on the TikTok. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, by default, there is no option to crop any video on the TikTok, but don't worry, I will give you another way. So you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the CapCut. Once you will search for it, you can simply download this application to your phone. So I have already downloaded and installed it to my phone, so I simply open it from here. After that, you have to import a video you want to crop. So let's suppose I have this video, I want to crop this video for the TikTok. So simply click on this clip and swipe to the left from the menu, and here you will see edit option. In the edit, you will get an option of crop, and here you will see multiple frames, so you can select according to your choice and then simply click on this tick. As you can see, video is cropped now. So this is the way to crop any video on the TikTok. Now once you will done this editing, remove this card, and on the top you will see export option. Just click on it. Video is exported and you can upload it on the TikTok. So this is the only way, no other way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.